Have you ever wondered how your phone or secure door access instantly recognizes your unique fingerprint? Let's dive into the fascinating world of biometric security. Fingerprint scanning is a widely used and highly reliable method for authentication. It's fast, convenient, and relies on the distinct pattern of your ridges and valleys. A fingerprint scanner is a device that captures and analyzes the patterns of your fingerprint to verify your identity. You find them everywhere, on your phone, laptop, and security doors. The core purpose of this technology is to provide high-security access, ensuring only authorized individuals can gain entry or unlock devices. Let's start with the older method, optical scanners. These are essentially high-resolution digital cameras taking a picture of your fingerprint. When you press your finger onto the glass plate, a light source illuminates the surface. The bright areas are the ridges, and the darker areas are the valleys. Inside, a prism reflects the light onto a camera sensor, capturing a digital image of the pattern. It's similar to how a copy machine works. However, optical scanners have limitations. They can be fooled by high-quality copies or images of a fingerprint, making them susceptible to spoofing. The modern standard, particularly in smartphones, is the capacitance scanner. These use electrical currents for a much more secure reading. Capacitance scanners use tiny electrical circuits, called capacitors, which store electrical charge. When your finger touches the scanner, these circuits measure the difference in charge. Your skin's ridges, which touch the sensor, hold a slightly different electrical charge than the air gaps in the valleys. This difference is what the capacitors measure. By measuring these tiny electrical variances across the entire surface, the scanner creates a detailed, three-dimensional electrical map of your finger's surface, which is much harder to replicate. Once the image or electrical data is captured, the real magic of processing and matching begins. The raw scan is converted into a mathematical template, focusing on, quote, minutia points, which are the unique features like ridge endings and bifurcations. The raw image is discarded for security. The matching algorithm then compares these minutia points against the stored template on file. If enough points match within a certain tolerance, access is granted. This complex process happens almost instantly, providing a quick, yet incredibly secure layer of protection for your device or property. So, whether it's optical or capacitance, fingerprint scanning is a powerful technology leveraging the uniqueness of human anatomy. Remember, optical scanners use light for an image, while capacitance scanners use electrical currents for a much more reliable and secure digital map. As technology advances, biometrics like fingerprint scanning will continue to evolve, securing our digital and physical lives with unmatched convenience.